Structs are used almost everywhere in Swift. Int, string, array, bool, and many more of Swift's core types are all implemented as structs. And now you can recognize that a function like isMultipleOf is actually a method belonging to structs, the int struct in particular. Let's recap what we've learned so far. First up, you can create your own structs using the struct keyword, then giving it a name, then placing the structs code in between open and close braces. Second, structs can have their own properties and methods, aka variables and functions. If a struct method modifies properties of the struct, you must mark it as mutating, otherwise your code will not compile. Third, structs can store their values in memory directly inside the struct, or they can create computed properties that calculate values dynamically every time they're called. Third, we can attach didSet and willSet property observers to properties, and these will be helpful to make sure some code runs every time the property changes. Third, initializers are a bit like specialized functions, and Swift makes one for all our structs by default using their property names. You can, if you want to, override that, add your own custom initializer, but you must always make sure that every property has an initial value before the initializer ends and before we call another method. We can use access control to limit what we or other people can do with our properties and methods, making them internal only or whatever you want to. And finally, you can attach properties or methods directly to a struct using static, so you can use them without making an instance of the struct.